Hi beauty, it is your girl certified chef Chi. If you have been dreaming of that flawless Korean glass skin, smooth, hydrated, and glowing like sunshine, you are in the right place. Today, I'm sharing my 3 days rice water challenge. This simple kitchen secret has been used for centuries in Asian skincare, and just 3 days, your skin will look like glass. Take 1 cup of rice and 2 cup of clean water. Rinse it very well to remove any dirty and starch. For a better result, repeat this procedure for more than 10 times until you have a clean water. Do not forget to like, subscribe and turn on the bell notification for more glow secrets every week. At this point, the water is very neat, as you can see. Once your water is clean like this, allow this to sit for about 30 minutes. 30 minutes later, you see how neat and clean the water is. Please try and do yours like this. Now pour out the cloudy white water, that's your rice water essence. Pour into a clean bottle and refrigerate it for 24 hours. That helps it ferment slightly and boost the glow power. After washing your face with water, apply the rice water with cotton bud or spray it on like a mist, or use your hand, massage it gently and let it dry. Don't raise it off. It tightens and brightens and hydrates your skin instantly. Do this every morning and every night for 3 days. That's it. You will already notice your skin feeling smoother. You will catch your skin glowing even without makeup. And don't forget, if you are enjoying the rice water glow challenge, comment and in below. Let's glow together. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the bell notification for more secrets every week. Thank you.